Here we go, guys. I'm gonna show you today how to receive funds into your Binance wallet, BNB wallet of Binance. Okay, now it's pretty simple transaction. Okay, let's go to here, wallet. Okay, now I've already put in the search actually, because I do not have in here anything in BNB account, and I'm in BNB wallet. Now I put in the search, I find the BNB, click on it. Okay, and it will give me options here at the bottom: withdraw, deposit. Now we are going to transfer funds into BNB from any wallet. I'm going to show you transfer from TrustWallet into BNB of the Binance. Okay, now you have to click on the deposit. Okay, when you click on deposit, it will give you an important message, or not, you can say please enter both memo and address data. Okay, required to deposit, blah blah. Click on OK. You have to copy this one, the address. Okay, come back to TrustWallet. All right, just in case you don't know, this is the home page, you can see, of the TrustWallet. You will come down somewhere here, you will have sometimes up if you have more funds, down if you have last one. I do not have much into BNB in the TrustWallet or in the Binance currently. Okay, this is just for the video purposes. I'm making out all these videos. Now I go to BNB here. Okay, I'm going to send from TrustWallet BNB wallet. Okay, now I'll click on send. Okay, here it's asking for the address. You have to paste in the address here, wallet address. Okay, here it will be the amount, whatever the max you have, whatever 0.02, whatever the limit they have. Okay, now it shows down probably how much it's worth. If it is 2, it's $6.16, this 3, and whatever, you can choose that. Here is the memo which they mentioned earlier. You have to paste in the memo also. Copy the memo from Binance app of the BNB wallet, come to the Trust Wallet, come to BNB where we are doing this transaction, paste in the memo. Alright, you have to click on continue here at the top. Okay, click on continue. The next page will come. It will show you the details before the transaction goes through. Now here at the bottom it shows insufficient balance, obviously, because I do not have. Now all you have to do is, it will show you the details here. 0.02, the network fee, that is the charge, 0.02 cents only for this transaction from Trust Wallet to Binance. Okay, once you have all the funds in here, it will not show you insufficient balance. This button will be active. It will just ask to confirm, submit, and once you press it, the funds go through, and within seconds, or maybe it might not take more than a minute or two, you will have the funds in the Binance account here. You will come down here, you will refresh it, and it will show you. You'll refresh it, and then it will show you here that you have received the funds. Also, it sends you notification funds have received at the both Binance app and also the Trust Wallet app, right? So it's that simple. Do not be scared to do any transaction. Maybe it goes into something wrong wallet or something. You are just copy pasting. Nothing wrong can happen unless there is some other issue at the apps, and in that case too, you get your funds back if the transaction does not get successful. So don't worry about that. Just go through it, do it. It's no rocket science. It's very easy, and enjoy your business, whatever you're trying to conduct on these apps. All right, any questions, send across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. All right, cheers, have a great day.